In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram highlights without adding to story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram, hit the plus icon and there select story. After that, hit this gear icon at the top right and there hit story. Now tap on close friends right there, and here you need to select just one account that are another your account. So deselect this person and you can use search bar to search for your another account and then select it and hit done. So now in your close friends you got just one person. After that you can go back and there create some story. I select this image from my camera roll and now I need to publish it just to my close friends, so nobody will be able to see that story except my another account. I'll select close friends. Now hit on my profile icon and there tap on highlights. After that, select the highlight that you want to add this story to, like that. And now that story was added to that highlight, and I can simply check it like that. Now you see that I just added the highlight without publishing that image to my stories. That's how it works. I hope it helped you guys. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.